Ano nga ba itong FHSA or First Home Savings Account? So, noong April 1st na launch itong FHSA para sa mga first-time home buyers. So, itong account na to para siyang anak ng TFSA at RRSP. So, anyone na hindi pa nakabili or nakapag-own ng bahay, pwedeng mag-open ng account na FHSA. So, meron itong lifetime limit which is $40,000. And the maximum amount that you can put in every year is 8,000. So, kung kunwari meron kang 8,000 na pwedeng ilagay ngayon, then that's your contribution room for this year. Next year ka na pwedeng magdagdag. What if 5,000 lang ang kaya mong ilagay this year? That means next year, meron kang 8,000 na room plus yung 3,000 na room for this year na hindi mo nagamit. So from the name itself, ang purpose ng fund na ito ay to buy or to fund your first home. Hindi mo siya pwedeng i-withdraw nang wala kang proof na may bibilhin kang bahay. So if you're building a home, you should have a proof that the house will be completed or that you will buy the house before October 1st of the next year. This fund, pwede siyang open up to 15 years. So it is a very good account kung saan pwedeng mag-ipon ng pang down payment ng bahay. Ang maganda sa account na ito or for me is the best benefit is since para siyang RRSP, when you put money into your FHSA account, then you can claim that amount in your tax. So, mas bababa yung taxable income mo. And since para rin siyang TFSA, if you wanna invest the money, any gain that you get or that you earn from investing this money will be tax-free. So, sa mga nag-iipon para sa down payment ng bahay, you might wanna check FHSA because the benefits are really good. Saan ka pwedeng mag-open ng FHSA? Kahit saang bangko or financial institution, I will suggest you go to your bank. Kung nasaan yung RRSP or TFSA mo, malamang meron din sila nito. Just a word of caution though, if you're planning in buying your house in the next 1 or 2 years, personally, I will not invest the money, but I will use FHSA.